In this video, we're going to look at solving two equations with two unknowns, and in this case, we're looking at an average mass problem, which is a common problem in chemistry where you have two isotopes, isotope 1 and isotope 2, with masses m1 and m2, and there's an average mass, which is m bar. We can solve this equation for the abundances of the first and second isotopes, which we're labeling A1 and A2, using the fact that the sum of all of the abundances, in this case A1 plus A2, is 1. So if we solve the second equation for A2, we can substitute 1 minus A1 into that first equation so that we have one equation with one unknown. At this point, it's just algebra to solve for A1. The first step in this is to distribute. Once we've distributed M2 into the parentheses, then we need to group like terms. And in this case, our like terms are those terms that contain A1 and then all other terms. So the M2, which does not contain an A1, is subtracted from both sides, and we're left with the A1 terms on the right side. To get A1 by itself, we need one A1 term, so we can factor A1 out of both of these terms, and we have A1 times the difference between M1 and M2. The last step is to solve for A1 by dividing both sides by the whole quantity in parentheses.